Hi everybody, my name is Braden, and I'll be reading what I'll be putting in UniFIED Efforts magazine. Um, Before I knew Miss Debbie, I had already heard a lot about her through my cousins. They would talk about how kind she was and how welcoming she seemed to everyone around her. They described her in a way that made me curious to meet her one day. When I finally met Miss Debbie, she was very kind, friendly, and easy to talk to. I asked her if I can help her and her team pick up some trash, and she said yes, and asked for my name. Since that day, I've been helping and becoming good friends through UniFIED Efforts. Our second encounter. One day, Miss Debbie and I went to see a play of Romeo and Juliet. At first, it followed the original story, and Romeo killed himself thinking Juliet was dead. But there was a plot twist. Juliet did not die. Instead, she survived and decided to keep living life in the end. She moved forward and eventually found a new partner, choosing a new path for her future. Our third encounter. I'm so proud of my 8th grade graduation and how far I've come. It was an important moment in my life because it showed my growth, hard work, and determination throughout the year. Miss Debbie was there taking pictures and videos of me, which made the moment even more special. I felt happy to accomplish this milestone and excited to what comes next in my future.